What's up, guys? Got another custom DD Designs build. This is a custom night rod built for a customer. This is one of the best builds that we've done to date. This bike was painted matte black with gloss black racing stripes. The rear end has a 280mm on the stock rim and stock swing arm. Custom DD Designs remote control air suspension. Tab exhaust. Gloss black powder coated wheels. We did the 200mm front end. Custom DD Designs projector headlights. Has a stock night rod cover. Blacked out the engine. 200mm wide triple trees. It has a custom side mounted speedometer holder. Custom rear fender. These two bright LEDs that I'll turn on for you so you can check them out. The customer wanted this projector headlight that we had to figure out and custom make to fit this 200mm wide front. I'll turn them on so you guys can see how they look. If you're interested in a build similar to this, contact me at devindiegodesigns@gmail.com or find us on Instagram at devindiegodesigns, or check out our website at www.devindiegodesigns.com. We can get you a quote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more custom V-Rod builds.